Welcome back, students. Today we will study the sound of the letter G. Now, are you ready to make it look like the water is draining down the drain? Let's make the sound to go with it. Glug, 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 glug. Now your turn. Glug, 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 glug. Good job. Our first word is G-L-U-G. G-L-U-G. The sound we were just making. Glug, glug. The next word, G-U-R-G-L-E. G-U-R-G-L-E. When you rinse your throat with liquid, you will gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle. It's a funny word. Next word, G-O-O-S-E. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. Goose. A goose is an animal you will find near a pond or on a farm. Next word, G-I-R-L. G-I-R-L. Girl. Girl. A girl is a child, female, human. Girl. Last word, L-E-G. L-E-G. Usually people have two legs. Two legs. And they're the lower part of your body. Well done again. See you next time.